The ingredients we will need are 250 grams of flour plus 125 grams for rolling, 90 grams of full cream yogurt, 85 grams of water, 7 grams of yeast plus 1 tablespoon of warm water, 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter or ghee for smearing the bazlama after toasting. This is best served warm. The first thing we will need to do is mix the yeast and warm water to dissolve it. Leave this for about 15 minutes. Then we will sift 250 grams of flour and remove 4 tablespoons of this flour to keep aside. Now add in the 5 grams of salt and 5 grams of sugar to the flour in the bowl and mix this well. Once you've done that, add in the water, yogurt and the yeast mixture to make a sticky dough. Yogurt used in this recipe makes the bread soft and light. It plays an important part in Turkish cuisine as it is used from appetizers to main meals, and you wouldn't find a Turkish home without yogurt. At this stage, you will notice that the dough is still very sticky, but don't worry, that's fine. Add in the flour that you kept aside and make an extremely soft dough. Add in extra flour if needed, but don't add in too much of flour as this will make the bazlama crispy when toasting. You will know when the dough is right, it won't stick to the wall of the bowl. I've now added in the 2 tablespoons of flour that was left behind in the bowl from the 4 tablespoons that we kept aside. It still looks like it needs a little bit more flour. Add the olive oil over the dough and just smear this so that the dough is fully covered. Cover this with a plastic wrap or lid and leave for about 45 minutes. This is what the dough will look like after 45 minutes. Soft, oily, sticky and pliable. Divide this into 6 to 7 pieces. Sprinkle some flour over the surface and roll each piece into a 15 centimeter circle. Heat a saucepan and place one piece at a time, leaving it to toast for about 30 seconds on each side. Notice after a few seconds the bubbles start forming on the top of the bazlama. Once turned over, it starts looking like a balloon. While toasting the bazlama, you can add in toppings like butter, garlic, or coriander. Your bazlama is now ready to be served. Notice how soft and fluffy it is when I'm folding it. It's really quite easy to make. Do try it and let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.